finding time to escape to your favorite place can be a challenge. Make your adventure a trip of a lifetime with the service and equipment that won't disappoint. Let the pros guide you.
I'm Lori McCarthy, and this is our island, the island of Newfoundland, and I can't wait to share it with you. From nature to the table, this is East Coast Forager. Hey everyone, we're in beautiful Colliers, Newfoundland, one of my favorite places to forage. I've got some halibut brought to the beach. We're gonna look for some sweet gale, make some skewers on. This beach is full of delicious goodies. I look forward to cooking up some halibut. Let's go see what we can find. All right, so I found a great little spot here out of the wind to light the barbecue. I love coal barbecue, love the flavor it puts on food, so let's light this up. There we go. So this is gonna need about 15, 20 minutes. Enough time for us to go and do a little pick, and let's go see what's over here. All right, what I'm looking for is right across the river. This is a very healthy river that runs right into the ocean along the beach. During the salmon season, you can see them in the river there. It's a pretty popular place for kids to go snorkeling because you can see the salmon as they actually swim right by you. When you come across a healthy ecosystem, you can feel comfortable harvesting from it, but delicately. Foraging along freshwater rivers is like opening up a pantry, and it creates amazing opportunities to find things like sweet gale, river roses, and all kinds of wonderful ingredients. Well, nice. These are some beautiful sweet gale, already going into flour, but these make a spectacular flavor. So we'll use that for the halibut. Aha, I love this. Come look at this. All right, this one's called Sea Rocket. It is my wasabi on the beach. Like, this will replace that horseradish wasabi kind of flavor. You can see the buds on it are like this super crunch, sweet at first, and spicy. That kick comes after. All right, let's get to it. Grill to be nice and hot, and I'll stick it in here, and that is screaming hot. That's how I burnt the handle off my grill. So this is the sweet gale I got across the river, and I've just rined it out, right? So I just took the bark off it, and I got two done. This is a little basting brush that I made with just the sweet gale that I picked across the river and tied it up with some wild wheat. So that'll be our basting brush. All right, so we're gonna do some halibut tacos. All right, so I'm gonna use just a little bit of oil. Not olive oil, but peanut oil or canola oil is fine. And I'm just gonna give the grill a little oil there, see if I can't keep my fish from sticking. So I have a beautiful piece of halibut, and I'm just gonna slice it up and do some skewers with it. I'm just gonna remove the skin on the halibut because the skin is really tough and it won't cook up. So this is the sweet gale skewers, and I kind of go across the grain with them, right? So see which way your fish is going. So this fish is going horizontal, so I'm going to put my skewer right vertical through it, and then my grill is oiled. I'm just going to lay that right on like that. And now let's just get some flavor going. So this is my black seaweed salt. This is really it's smoked seaweed, and then homemade sea salt, which is really simply you just boil down seawater until it becomes quite slushy in the bottom of your pot. And then I'll just take it and lay it out on a sheet pan and in the sun and leave it there for a few hours. So let's get some sweet gale. A sweet gale I use as you can use it as sage, you can use it as rosemary. Like, it's a stronger kind of flavoring, I must say. I have a lovely taco shell. While my halibut's cooking, I'm gonna cut up a little bit of red onion. Now let's get the sea rocket that we picked. So the tips are the most, I guess, pliable, easy to work with pieces, because as you get further down the stalk, it gets really woody. With this stuff, it's always about getting the young leaves. They're much more tasty. So, a little elbow grease in here. A little bit of the aioli. Lovely. All right, I also have some lime. Let's see where this fish is. Oh yeah, not bad at all. And then I actually picked some mint on the way here too, so I'm going to get a little bit of mint on one side. All right, so usually when I cook the fish, I just do like 2 minutes on one side, 2 minutes on the other. And then you can rest it then for a couple of minutes and it'll continue cooking through. And now I'm gonna pull my fish off. And then it comes off the skewer. And then I have this little bit of aioli and a nice squeeze of lime. There you go. Now just over there, there's a sunflower blooming on the beach. I guess it blew from someone's yard. You know what? I'm gonna go sit over there and enjoy my taco. This is my first bite of halibut of the year. It's such a different fish. It's nothing like cod. Cod is so soft and somewhat gelatinous almost. Halibut is a meatier fish, and I just love it. It stands up to the lime and stands up to the wasabi flavor of the sea rocket. It's absolutely wicked. If you haven't had halibut, try it. It's absolutely worth it. It's good stuff. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.